Hi, Melinda here from Mindy's Craft Shack. Hey, before we get started, go ahead, give me some likes. Go ahead and subscribe. Just push that button right there. And once you do that, we can go get started. Come on. Welcome back. Today is week number 6. I can't believe I've been doing so well and keeping on track with my vlogs that I'm already a month and a half into it. I feel really great that I've been able to get organized enough to be able to put those vlogs out there weekly. So again, week number 6. So how was everybody's week? I hope it was great and productive. Mine was pretty productive. I got a lot done. I didn't get as many of my fair cups that I wanted to done, but I did get a couple of them done. I did, however, get 3 new Etsy orders, so I was really excited about that I just concentrated on my Etsy orders. And that's kind of what I'll be showing today, is me just working on those Etsy orders, the cups that I did. On top of that, I am actually thinking about opening up a new Etsy store. Crazy, right? You know, I've been throwing around the idea of adding like more gift ideas in my Tumblr shop and making it more of a gift shop. I'm still working on doing that. And I don't know when I'll actually put that into effect, but I'm working it out in my mind. And can you hear my birds out there? They're being awfully noisy this morning. So if you hear birds, they're my birds. And yeah, they're being very noisy. Anyways, back to the Etsy stuff. I'm thinking about opening up another Etsy shop. This shop would actually pertain to more of what I'm really getting into right now, besides my tumblers and my signs. I'm really like getting into stickers and my planners and my organization. I think I've been doing so well with that stuff because I'm turning it more into a hobby. And, you know, once you do that, and as much as I love my hobbies and doing my hobbies, this is what's really kept me on track. And I've been able to do that, you know, make it into a hobby by using the stickers, making the pages colorful. So I thought, oh, this is so much fun. And there's such a wide range of stickers and different kinds of stickers that you can make. So I'm going to start working on that. My hope is to open up probably around July 1st. I kind of want to get in before the big, you know, before the new school year starts. The stickers I want to do are mainly for like planners and stuff like that. So bill pays, you know, whatever you want to put in your planner. Speaking of planners, I went to Hobby Lobby the other day. Took some time out, you know, got away from the shack, and we went, me and my husband went shopping, and of course grocery shopping, and I was like, oh, I gotta go to Hobby Lobby. So went into Hobby Lobby, and my goal was to just, you know, I wanted to look for a new planner that I can kind of put everything into, you know, my bill pay and my social media stuff and my Etsy stuff. And so I thought, oh, I want to, see what they have for planners. And boy, I did not even realize how much there is to these planners. And that's when I was like, stickers and yeah. And I've just been going hog wild with it. This is the planner that I got. It's actually 18 months, and I'm able to fit my monthly budget in there. I'm able to fit my Etsy stuff, my YouTube, and all my social media stuff. And so I'm really excited about, getting into it and making it one of my new hobbies. So in June, I'm actually going to be taking an Etsy course, and it's like a handmade Etsy course that you can take. And I'm doing that because it's supposed to teach you more about SEOs and how Etsy works. And so that's why I thought if I can start that in June, I can start implementing it towards my new shop. Plus, Mindy's Craft Shack US. And, just see how much it helps and where it goes from there. So really excited about that. This week with Etsy, I just plan on finishing up my cups. And I don't know if you can see behind me, but while I was at Hobby Lobby, I did get more of my background stuff for my pictures. I don't know if any of you have gone to my Etsy shop, mindyscraftshackus.com, but my border or my banner is kind of a multicolored purples and pinks and kind of mixed and stuff like that. So I wanted to kind of incorporate that into my pictures. So it all kind of flowed really nicely. And I was able to find, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it was the perfect time to look for all this stuff because it's one after Easter and springtime. So and these are kind of springy colors. So I found this stuff, the purples and the white, and then this here has some pink in it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing my pictures on. And so I'm really excited about that too. So I want to get started on that this week of starting to redo my pictures and putting those up on my shop. Also, I want to start doing the Father's Day tumblers and getting a good line of those in. So I have my week cut out for me this week, and hopefully I can get a lot of it done on the 2 days I have off. We'll see, and I'll just do day by day. That's all you can do is take one day at a time and do what you can in that time. So last week I had talked about my booth at the fair, and I had asked how many would buy a new banner or make their own. Well, I didn't get any answers, which is okay. But I did decide, I think I'm just going to go ahead and buy a banner. I have so much on my plate. I don't think I need to add another thing to it. So yeah, I've decided I'm going to go ahead and order a new banner and use that. I'm only 11 weeks away from the time I get to go set up for the fair. So I think that's going to be my best bet, is just go ahead and buy one. It'll be simple, and all I have to do is order it, and I think I'm going to do that this Friday. So when I get that banner in, I'll actually show you guys that. I'm really excited. I can't wait to order it and get it, show it off. All right, I want to give a big thank you for the 10 more subscribers that I got. I want to thank all those that have subscribed to my YouTube channel and have watched my videos and given me those likes. I really appreciate it. I am still fighting to make it to that 500 by the end of this month, so we only have about 3 more weeks to go, and I'm at 383. So I got 10 more this week. Let's see if we can boost it up to like 20 more for next week, so we can get closer to that 500. I think one of the things that is helping me is I found this site, and I don't know if I mentioned this last week or not, but it's called rapidtags.com. So if any of you are thinking about if any of you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, and you're going through, uploading your video, all that, and then it comes to tags and you're like, I don't even know what to put, there's like 500 characters I can put in this and they want me to fill it all. Well, go to rapidtags.com, put in what your video's about, and it will come up with every conceivable tag that there is. And that site, rapidtags.com, actually gives you tags for YouTube and TikTok. So if any of you have a TikTok account and do things on TikTok, you can use it for TikTok also. I have, and every time I do and put up a new video on TikTok, I get like 20 new people that subscribe to my TikTok. So or follow me on TikTok. So that's really going up also, which I'm happy about. Another thing I need to start doing is going back to kind of the basics of Facebook. And, I have a Facebook page, Mindy's Craft Shack, and, I have a Facebook group too. So if any of you want to join a group, it's a private group. It's called Mindy's Craft Shack Group, and I'll go ahead and list it down below, a link to it, and you can just click that link and it'll take you right over there. Fill out a couple of questions and I'll accept your request. But anyways, back to my Facebook page, I want to start adding my listings from Etsy to that Facebook page to see if I can get any sales. So this week when I have some time at the hospital, my little breaks, I'm gonna start watching and seeing how to list those. And hopefully it's not too difficult. I wouldn't think it would be, but you never know. So that's my plan for my Facebook page, is to start getting it out there. I have like 1,000 followers on there. So I want to, instead of just putting up my YouTube videos, I want to start putting up my listings too, and see if that helps with more sales. All right, I think I've talked your ear off enough. So let's go and look at the cups I did this week. Like I mentioned earlier, I got 3 new orders from my Etsy shop this week. That blue and purple one is going to be a custom ombre. Then the white one will be a ombre also, and it's the one that says, "Without music, life would be flat." The glitters that I'm using on these 2 cups are actually glitters that I custom mixed myself. The third order was for my hot cocoa drip cup. Now this is the cup that I will actually be showing on Saturday on my how-to video. Also, the glitter I'm using here is actually from Michaels. I just love this yellow. Here I'm just weeding some vinyl to put on my Messy Bun Mom Life tumbler. I'm just doing this tumbler to be able to add it to my shop and have it for the fair. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this week's vlog. In the description below, there will be a list of links to all my social medias, including my private Facebook group. Also, if you're new to my channel or haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe, ring that bell for notifications of new videos, and give me a thumbs up. And don't be shy, leave a comment below. I hope all of you have a great and safe, happy week. Bye!